In this video, I will show you how to make an international transfer on National Bank of Canada. So if you want to do that, you need to head over right here at first your account and then click onto this transfer option. Now from in there, click onto the send money internationally option, and then from in here, just send in here or select a recipient. Click onto this add recipient option, and then in here you can see this international money transfer. Click onto this continue, and then select in here the country that you want to add for this one. I'll choose in here Belgium, then choose in here the IBAN of that recipient. So click on continue as well, and then input right here the details of your recipient. And then once you have inputted all of those, enter in here the recipient's address as well, and then from that click on continue. Now confirm or tick off all of these terms and conditions, and for this one, enter your debit card's expiration date for verification. Click on save option, and then in here it shows you now this one, which is our recipient. Now select that recipient from the screen, click onto the select account, enter in here your reason for transfer, and then after that click on continue. Now enter in here the amount in Canadian dollars, and then you can choose in here the amount in euro if you want. This actually depends on the country currency that you actually chosen. Now after that, click on continue. Then here's the summary. Agree to the terms and conditions. After that, click onto the send option, and as you can see, it's now been sent.